Okay, guys, we're back. Welcome to John West Travel's Mission Turtles, guys. The day after a typhoon, I drifted with wild sea turtles on Lambai Island. The ocean was still moving. The current was pulling us back and forth, and these turtles just stayed right there with me. They didn't swim away. They didn't seem scared. They just looked at me like I was part of their world. I've seen some amazing things in the ocean, but this moment right here was something special. Taiwan, #1. Waves of wonder, baby. Welcome to Mission Turtle. Let's get it started. But first, let me show you how I got here, guys. The rocks were sharp, the water was moving, and getting out there was a mission by itself. I had no idea what was waiting for me on the other side. Then I saw them. The turtles. Look at the colorful shell, guys. Now you can tell the difference of the turtles by the shell. The females, I believe, have a smaller pattern on the left-hand side. The males have a wider pattern of color on the shell. Now this is where you can get the secret mask, guys. You don't need a tour. You don't need a tour guide. Just go right to this man. It is 100 NT. He will give you a mask. They clean it off. They spray it with this stuff so that you can always see through it. Those guys are so nice. It's right there at the Vase Rock. Right at the Vase Rock, those guys will give you anything you need for 100 NT, guys. No need to buy any tour packages. I saw these guys going in the ocean over there, and I started to follow them because I figured they knew where the turtles were. They had all their scuba diving stuff on. I think you need shoes, guys. It hurt very bad walking out there. I highly suggest that you wear shoes. Do not go barefoot. It was very tough to get out there. As you can see, I struggled, went rock to rock to rock to rock, and finally I made it. Stuck that stuff right inside of my mouth. Got that right on my head so that the water wouldn't get in, and here we go. Now, the water was amazing, and this was my first little friend. I'm gonna call him Turtle Nerdle. Yes, he was the nerdle of the turtles, guys. It was amazing. He just floated. Hardly even look at this guy. He just loved it, man. He was just hanging out with me. He actually looked over at me a few times. I got him peeking out of the water. Everybody was watching from shore, waving their hands. Oh my God, what are you doing? Where are you going? You need to come in. Coast Guard was there blowing the whistle. I was like, it's okay, guys. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm an American citizen. I think I will handle myself. If not, I would love to go out to sea for the rest of my life. Don't worry about it. Oh, he peeked up there for air, and he's going back down, deep diving, deep diving, deep diving. I'm deep diving with the turtles, guys. Deep diving with the turtles. This was a very, very deep part of the ocean right there, about 30, maybe 20 feet deep. Now he's feeding on the corals. I had to go deep down, dive deep down, and record him, guys. He's just walking on the bottom of the ocean, man. It's amazing. These turtles are incredible. They're basically dinosaurs. They've been here the entire time, been here longer than any other mammals, anything else you could even imagine. Look at this guy. Look at him float so perfect. Just sit there with the movement of the water. Same with me. We just let the current take us, and we both just were in peace and harmony. Now look at the shell. Look at he just takes a little gulp of air and it's just like, see you later, buddy. I'm out. And there he goes, diving deep, diving deep. Yeah, it was so fucking cool. Everything around me was so fucking cool. I never wanted to leave. You can't teach us stuff in school. Never wanted to leave. You couldn't teach us stuff in school, man. I don't know what to say. This day was the best day. Oh yeah. Yes, okay, and let's check it. Okay, and let's check it. And always respect it. You can't touch the turtles. You don't get close. Don't touch the turtles. You don't get close. If you do, dude, it will be trouble. You would be close. And stuffed inside a coat. Go to jail, that would happen at the most. You get a lot of fines when you get to the coast. Yes, no, yes, no. It looked like the turtle was moving in slow-mo. No, it wasn't a dude, it was moving fast. Okay, guys, now The turtles, they feed on the coral. I heard that the only thing that eats the turtles are squid. I'm not sure if that's right or if the turtles eat the squid. We're gonna have to look that up at some time. Use Google, use ChatGPT, but I could not believe the color on that fish. It was just amazing. Did you see that fish? Those blues, the reds, the oranges, the greens, the reds, the oranges, the greens, the oranges and the greens. And I give a thumbs up so you know what I mean. The bicycle kick. Look, it's so lean. Man, yes, it's so green. Okay, the fish is still hanging around him. He's like, oh man, I love what you're eating. Can I get some too? And the turtle's like, no, it's just for me, but I'm gonna smother you, man. I'll protect you from that guy up there. What's he doing up there? Yeah, he's just watching me eat. Yeah. So I just kept going, man. I found it pretty neat that I could just sit there and watch him and stare. And the dude's like, yeah. I don't even care. I'm just gonna sit there and keep on eating. I'm gonna eat, and don't keep on feeding. Oh, and the rocks all around and everything was so secret, everything was so smooth, and the sounds in the water and everything just flowed so perfect. I didn't want to go. I never want to leave this turtle slow-mo. Oh my God, guys, I can't even explain how good this felt just being down there. Look at him just in peace and harmony. The fish were probably eating the little microorganisms coming off of the coral as he was picking off of it. Jeez, look at this, guys. This is a National Geographic show right here. We're just watching it. I'm just watching it and I'm just floating around. Just some dude that got here. I don't even know how I got here, guys. I was in Thailand. I landed in Taiwan. I was taking a layover and I called the Xiaoliuqiu Airlines and I was like, guys, I want to see Taiwan. Will you let me stay? They actually let me stay in Taiwan for like 2 weeks, guys. They let me stay. So I started going everywhere and then I researched and then I saw some turtles and I got on the high-speed rail all the way down here just to do this, guys. We got washed out the night before because of the typhoon. I was gonna give up. I went back to the mainland. I don't give up. I go harder and harder every time. Every time it gets harder, I go harder every time, guys. Just remember that. When it gets hard, go harder. If it gets tough, go tougher. Okay, so we keep on going. I kind of sped it up right here because I lost them. I lost the turtle, guys. I was so focused on some other things. I think I just started floating around and the current took him in one direction and the current took me in a different one, and I just let them be. And so all these little fish started swimming all around me. So I started getting those on camera, and then my eyes started going to this angelfish, and then I saw another rockfish, and then I saw there's that angelfish right over there. There they are. Wow, look at that. And so we all just started floating around the current. I was like, wow, this is pretty neat, guys. This is pretty neat. I could live down there forever. And then I saw these schools of fish. I don't know what it was. And then, boom. And then I got back up, and this turtle was right there. So this was a different little area, guys. This is a secret beach, and we were with a bunch of people. A bunch of people were just sitting in there, and everybody's watching each other. And I was yelling right there, oh, it came up. Everybody's on shore watching and pointing where the turtles are. There's a couple of people. You can see them over there. This is very murky water, guys. Remember, this is the day after the typhoon. It was rough seas out there, guys. Rough seas out there. They said you're not gonna find turtles. That's what they told me, guys. I checked into the first hotel. I'm here. Can you put my stuff down? I'm gonna go find turtles. She goes, oh yeah, well, I don't think you're gonna find any today. I go, oh okay. Well, I don't know what to say. And where's a mask? And there we go. Wow, look at these. And now all of a sudden, a family just came around me. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. There's a big male. Look at that. Look at the current take us. Whoosh, whoosh. One way. 10 feet this way, 10 feet the other way, 10 feet the other way. So the Coast Guard was on the shore, guys, recording everything, and they did not say a word to me, but they were watching just to make sure, because it was very strong. There was nobody in the water but me. It was only me, guys. Everybody else is just on the land trying to watch, trying to find turtles from there. And actually, you know what I was doing? I picked my head up every now and again, and they would point to where they saw the turtle, and I would float that way. And then I got there finally, and yeah, that was a lot of fun, guys. That was just a lot of fun. Nobody spoke English. I don't speak Mandarin Chinese, and the only communication we had was like, oh, it's all right here, oh, point. Oh my God, guys, it was amazing. And then I went back on shore, showed the Coast Guard my footage, and it was just amazing. Right here is at Secret Beach. We were on top of the rocks looking for the turtles. I found one, and then I scaled down that wall as fast as I could and hopped in like a little rock climber. Yeah, that was fun too, guys. It was just so much fun. Everybody is so fun. Everybody laughs and smiles. Everybody is so nice in Taiwan, guys. It is a blast. I highly suggest, if you've never been to Taiwan, to take a trip there and just to see what the people and what the country is like. It is out of this world. You will never find another place like it. It's amazing. The people, the water, the turtles, the food, the people, the food, the water, the turtles. I don't know, guys. Waves of wonder. Taiwan. Waves of wonder. That's what they call it. This whole island is Coral Island, guys. It's Lambai Island. I would say the appropriate name, but I do not know how to pronounce it right, guys. I'll put it on the screen. There's Vase Rock. That is famous. Everybody was standing watching it, but right now, as you can see, yeah, the sea was extremely rough. This was the day after the typhoon, guys, and nobody was in the water. Actually, the Coast Guard and everybody was cleaning up all the garbage that got onto the shore from the typhoon. It was extremely murky. I was a little worried at first, but then, you know, what's gonna happen? Yeah, the turtles don't come out if there's any danger. So if they like you, they'll show up. If not, they're out of there. You won't even be able to find them. Now there, see all the people right there on the top? They're screaming, "Oh, over here, over here, over here!" And yeah, that's where they just watch. Basically, they just watch. And I just got in there and I walked across all that coral rocks barefoot. Got over here and then found the turtles, guys. It took me about 30 minutes of searching though, and then I found the turtles. And I don't know what to say, but thank God, those turtles made my day, changed my life. Taiwan changed my life, guys. It is incredible. Go there, have fun, float with the turtles, sing with the birds, fly with the bees, do it all. Don't forget the turtle. If you see him, tell him I said hi. He's got the big spots on the left-hand side of his shell. Say hi for me. This is near the end. Look at all these fish, man. It was just so cool. And then it started to get really bad right here. So something was going on, and the water and it started pulling us really bad back and forth. And then the Coast Guard basically came over and started, and they woke me in. They told me to come in immediately. It was dangerous, and I was really tired at this point, guys. I've got 7 displaced ribs. I got in a very bad accident a year ago where I popped a lung. My ribs went into my lung and it popped it. So my breath is not the best. That's why my voice sounds like this. Thank you, guys. It was a blast. The water was so good. Everything was amazing. Thank you, Taiwan.
Well, guys, we made it back out here, and it's looking like